What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. So I wanted to let everyone know that as of May 5th, 2025, when it comes to federal student loans, the government is now pursuing collection activities. So if you have not paid your student loans or your student loans went to collection, the government is now coming after your money. So they could levy your bank account, they could withhold your federal income tax return, or even garnish your wages. So take the money directly out of your paycheck. So since 2020, collection activity on federal student loans was suspended. So they weren't coming after anyone who didn't pay their student loans. All of that is over as of May 5th, 2025. What's even worse is that this could actually be reported on your personal credit report and lower your credit score. There's been reports of over 200 plus FICO score decrease as a result of this new action where the government is now pursuing these collections. They're reporting negative and late credit information on your student loans, and it is lowering people's credit score and preventing them from being able to pursue their dreams, whether that's getting a job that's going to run a credit check, or when it comes to renting an apartment, getting access to some funding, starting a business, or even purchasing a home. But you know who's not worried about this is our clients, because we're able to get federal student loans removed off your credit report. Now, as a disclaimer, just because it comes off your credit report does not mean that you do not have to repay the debt. You don't get out of not paying the debt. However, it won't affect your credit because when we get it removed, it's not showing up as a negative account or collection. It also helps with lowering your visible debt to income ratio, because when creditors are pulling your credit report and they don't see those large student loans with negative payments on your credit report, it's going to help you qualify for different financial products. Now, we had a client who reached out in February and we were able to get a lot of student loans removed off their credit report. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Now, as y'all can see, as we go down this list, some of y'all might be familiar with Aid Advantage. So Aid Advantage is one of the main servicers for Department of Education loans. So we were able to get a ton of these removed off their credit report, and it skyrocketed their credit. Now, as a result of this new enforcement action, this is going to affect tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of Americans who are behind on their student loans or have delinquent student loans that went to collections. This could affect you for up to 7 years if you do nothing about it. However, you can contact us, CP Restoration Services, the #1 credit restoration service in the United States. We can get these accounts removed off your credit report so it doesn't hinder you, it doesn't hold you back. Right now, we do have a Mother's Day special where we're offering a discounted price on our service. I've dropped a link in the description of the video for you to sign up. You can also book a consultation. We have a text number that you can text us at, or if you prefer to speak with a representative immediately, I've also put the number up on the screen so you can reach out and call. That's all for today. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon.